Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Now you need to forward and give me all the work.
It's me if they work. You see me do my
So, in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a hair tutorial, I guess you could say, something like that. I'm basically gonna be doing a slick back on my hair. I have not done a slick back in a really long time. I have a video, like a tutorial up on how to do one like a year ago. It's almost 2 years old, and honestly, y'all, that video is a little bit trash. I would not refer to that because I don't even know what that was, but we're gonna come back new and improved, and I'm gonna show you guys what I do to do like my slick backs on my thick type 4 natural hair. So my hair looks really bad. As you can see, I have some some gel that's dried up right there, but we're not gonna talk about it. Yeah, I don't want to talk too much. I'm gonna get straight into the video. I look so bad, but like this is it. Like, I don't be feeling like I have to act a certain way or look a certain way in my videos. Like, y'all, this is me, okay? Hair's not done yet, but we're gonna get it done. We're gonna get it taken care of, and then you guys will see the little transformation, I guess. I don't know. So the product I'm gonna be using in this video, I tell you, you're gonna need like a really like thick one. I say thick, that's not like a thin scrunchie like this. Like, this is too thin, but one that's like really like tight, if that makes sense. And then also a brush, hard bristle brush. This is by Conair, not that it really matters. Any type of like hair product of your choice. I'm using the Pantene Gold Series Hydrating Buttercream. This is actually really good for defining your curls as well, but I've really never used it for that, just because I've always stick to what I know, which is like my favorite products, but whatever. And then you're gonna need some gel. So I don't have a lot of my XOXO gel left. I literally have the bare minimum, so I'm gonna have to save this as much as I can. But on top of that, I'm gonna use my Style Factor Edge Booster. Okay, so we're gonna get this started. So the first thing, this is gonna be more of like a talk through as well, because I don't like doing voiceovers. I used to do them a lot. Oh my gosh, if you can see like the little flakes that are flying around, yikes. I'm gonna spray some water to kind of like break this cast that's on my hair, because I did do a style on my hair before this. This is also like an old wash and go. That's why you can see like it's really, I don't even know, this is ridiculous. I just don't feel like washing my hair. I don't know why. I'm trying to avoid wash day, so this is me trying to do hairstyles so I can avoid it. But I'm gonna spray my hair, get it like kind of like more manageable and wet and stuff, and yeah. Okay, I'm back. I feel like in every video I always have to like go leave out my room and get something, and then yeah. Anyways, so I have kind of wet my hair a little bit, that way it's a little bit more manageable. So now I'm gonna actually be parting my hair. I didn't tell you guys, but you are gonna need like a comb to kind of like part your hair. I have you guys also on my ghetto setup, as you guys know. So this wobbliness, yeah, it's gonna be what it is. Okay, so I have this like brush thing. I'm gonna use it also for my edges later, but I think I want to do like I don't want to do like a really deep side part, but I do want to do like a kind of, really? My brother just decides to blow his nose. We love that. I'm gonna do kind of like a semi side part, but like not a deep one. And I never actually do side parts on this side, but I think, do I want to do a, I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna do it on this side. For some reason I'm feeling this side, but I literally never do it. So, oh my gosh, my hair is so nappy, y'all. It's ridiculous. So now we're gonna start on the slick back. Now, I used to do my slick backs where I would literally like section my hair, start from the back. I don't do that anymore because my arms be tired and I don't be having time for that. I'm gonna start off by just spraying my whole head with water on the top and trying to kind of like form it down. Like I said, I did used to do my slick backs by like starting in the back and like doing it each section at a time, but that just takes an unnecessary amount of time, and I don't have time for that. So with the product that you chose, like I said, I'm just using this. You can use really any product. It really doesn't matter. This is just kind of like soften the hair up and make it easier to use and like manage and stuff. I'm taking some and I'm going to be putting it on the top of my head, smoothing it down, and then using my brush to like actually brush the hair down. I feel like you don't want to start off straight just with gel because you want to at least form your hair first. I feel like a lot of people, when they do slick backs, they just only use gel, which nothing's wrong with that. But like I said, I have like really little gel left, so I have to kind of be mindful. And plus, I just feel like I don't want it to be like super hard, but we also want it to like be sleek and lay down. So I'll put my video that I did before up above. But if your hair is even thicker than mine, you can like part it and start in the back and like mold each section down. Like I said, I used to do that, but I got really tired of doing that, so I stopped. But that's always an option if it's easier. My hair is thick, y'all, and I'm struggling right now. But you have to just kind of get like a really good grip on it. I don't really know how to explain it. This is definitely an arm workout, so if you don't have the strength for it, this might not be the hairstyle for you. Okay, we are getting somewhere, y'all. We are definitely getting somewhere. We don't have any humps in the back. We are getting places. So for now, I'm gonna take this and put it inside of a ponytail. Not a very tight one, but kind of just to keep my hair to stay. And what I'm gonna do now is use the gel to actually like get it to be sleek, because right now it's like it's sleek, but it's not. I have some hair left out, but it's not like super sleek like we want it to be. So I'm using the very little bit of XOXO gel that I have left, and I'm gonna put it on top and then like actually brush that part down and do the same thing I've been doing. Okay, and now I'm gonna take some of the Style Factor Edge Booster and put it on like the perimeter part, just a little bit, not all over my head, but just on like this part right here and this part, because this will really make my hair stay down, y'all. Like that's why I was so stuck when I first started this video, because I used it before, and this stuff, this is the truth. If y'all don't have this, I recommend you go get it, especially for type 4 hair. If you need something that's really gonna lay your hair down, you're gonna need that. Like I'm telling you, it's really good. XOXO gel doesn't do it really for me. It kind of just helps it, but this is what, like, you see how it's just getting so much sleeker now. So now that we've pretty much gotten it sleeked down, I'm gonna take it out the ponytail because it's not like fully done, and I'm gonna go back over it, and then we're gonna put it back into the ponytail. So I'm gonna do my ponytail about right here. I'm gonna wrap this around about 3 times, y'all, or as much as I can. Okay. We're gonna fix the ponytail later, but for now, we're gonna work on our edges and stuff like that. I am gonna do my edges with the Style Factor Edge Booster. You can use, like, I like to use Gorilla Snot as well, or you can use the XOXO gel. It really just depends on your hair type, but like I said, my hair is thick, y'all, so I needed to be able to really, like, lay down and stuff, so I have to use something that's, like, more thick than a lightweight product. And everyone does their edges differently, so it really, this part is, like, your part. Like, do whatever you want. I kind of just do mine the way I feel, and it is what it is. So I am gonna like leave out some hairs on the side because I feel like, I don't know, I just like that. So I just put some gel on it to kind of like make it curl up a little bit, if you guys can see that. But this is how it looks. So now I'm gonna put my scarf on top of it to lay my hair down and make sure that it doesn't lift up. And we don't want it lifting up. We need to do all this work. Our arms are tired for it to just poof back up. Absolutely not. So I'm gonna get my scarf and we're gonna tie it down. Okay guys, so my battery's flashing, so I'm gonna leave this on my head for about 5 or 10 minutes, let my battery charge a little bit, and I'm gonna come back. We're gonna fix the little ponytail part, and I'm gonna show you guys the final product of how it all turned out. Okay guys, so I am back. It has been about, I'm gonna say like 10-15 minutes, so I'm pretty sure that my hair is, you know, done and doing what it's doing. I think that having the scarf on is a really crucial part, because especially if you have type 4 hair, because you really want, yo, look at this. Period. that. You really want your hair to be like sleeked down and you want it to stay. If you do not put a scarf on it, I'm a little concerned. Just a little bit. I definitely recommend doing that for sure. But this is how it looks, as you guys can see. Edges are looking nice, but I don't like how it's like a little bit kind of white. So I'm gonna actually put some coconut oil on my perimeter right here. So I'm gonna put some coconut oil on like my edges. This is gonna like get rid of the kind of like white cast that it kind of has a little bit, and that's just because we use like gel and pomade and stuff like that. It really shouldn't do anything to your edges. They should still stay. This is optional, but like I said, I just don't like when it looks all white and stuff. So like, it doesn't even look white. This looks like really like kind of ashy. So I like to moisturize the edges and put some coconut oil on them. So that's pretty much it for this part of the hairstyle. I just realized I only have hairs out on this side, so I'm gonna take some out over here. I don't know how I'm gonna do that though, because it's like really, it's tight. But as far as the ponytail, you can kind of like leave it, like you can really leave it like this if you want to. Like if you want to just have a little puff, that's cool. I don't though. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna split it down the middle. I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see, but I'm gonna split it down the middle, and I'm basically gonna do like a bun. I've never actually done like a bun type of slick back. I always just do like puffs, but this time it looks good on this side a little bit, but on this side the curls aren't as like defined, so it looks really bad. I don't feel like defining it. So I'm literally going to part the hair in 2 sections, and I'm gonna twist it. I hope I'm not ashy, y'all. I'm gonna twist it up. Y'all can't even see, but I'm gonna twist it, and then I'm literally just going to wrap it like this. Then you want to use a tighter type of scrunchie, which I don't think I actually have, so I'm gonna probably have to use rubber bands. Okay, wow, that didn't actually break. I was expecting it to break and it did. I'm gonna do 2 more rubber bands just to be safe, because I feel like it's gonna try to like pop out on me and I'm gonna be real irritated. So, and that is the bun. Oh my gosh, I don't know how to be quiet. Okay guys, that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I do have some hairs out right here, but low-key I might just like, because I don't have any out on this side, so I think I'm gonna just swoop it behind my ear because it looks kind of dumb. This is it for the hairstyle. I really like it. I like doing slick backs when I don't want to have to deal with my hair. This is probably gonna last me a good 2 or 3 days, as long as I just tie it up with a scarf at night. And I might have to redo my edges a couple times, but to be honest, this stuff is so good that I doubt I'll have to do my edges over again. So that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Your girl has a bit of a peanut head, so it looks kind of weird, I guess, in the front, but the little bun is back there, okay? Don't worry about it. But that is all for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. If this was helpful, let me know. Let me know in the comments what more like natural hair videos you guys want to see from me, because I want to do more of them. And that is gonna be it. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time in a new video. Bye. Mwah. Peanut in the front, hair in the back. Okay, I'm done here.